Hey everybody, welcome back to Welch's Math class. We are here once again to help you work out one of your problems. In Module 1 this time we're going to be working on addition with whole numbers. And so what we're going to talk about is find the sum of this set of numbers. Of course, when we say find the sum, what we're asking you to do is add a set of numbers. Sum means is essentially the answer to an addition problem. That's what we're looking for here. So what we're going to do is add these numbers up. So first what we want to do is go in column form, and they're going to be lined up by place value. Okay. Second, we may want to reorder these. Okay, so we may reorder them to help form our columns. We can do that because of something called the commutative property. Essentially what the commutative property says is we can add numbers in whatever order we'd like to. We can switch the order around. And so what I like to do as far as adding these numbers up is I like to start with the larger numbers and put those up first when I set up my column. So I'll go 28, 14, and then I'll come underneath that with the second largest number, 2154. And what this enables me to do is quickly and easily line up my columns by place value and not have gaps and spaces in there. I think at that point I'll go with my 38, and then I'll go with my 52, and then I'll come with my 9. So now that I have these in column form lined up by place value, I'm ready to do my addition. My addition, I'm just going to line up each column or each set of place values, carrying as needed. And so we know that 4 plus 4 is 8, 8 plus 8 is 16. 16 and 2 is 18, 18 and 9 is 27, so we'll put down that 7, we'll carry a 2. Now another thing I like to do is I'm adding the columns here, and I'm going to be adding the 2, 1, 5, 3, and 5 here, is I like to look to things that will automatically add up to be 10. So I see here 5 plus 5 is 10, okay, and then 10, 13, 14, 16. So I'm at 16 right there very quickly. Let's put a 6 right here. Let's carry a 1. Now 8 plus 1 plus 1 is 10. We'll put down a 0. We'll carry a 1. 2 plus 1 is 5. So we've got 5,067. Now I'd like for you to pause the video and for you to work out this set right here doing the same thing. So take a quick pause, set that up, and get that work done. Hey, welcome back. I hope you had a chance to do that. Let's take a quick check of your work. When I set this problem up, what I'll do is I'll go with column form again. I'll go with 3, 8, 1, 4. Then I'll come underneath that with 4, 1, 2, 9. Then I'll come underneath that probably with my 175. Then I'll come underneath that with my 12, and then my 6. So you can see I start with the larger numbers and put them in the column and come down to the smaller numbers, and I've got my ones place lined up, my tens place lined up, my hundreds place, and my thousands place all lined up. Now you may have noticed some ways to go ahead and put together some tens here. The 6 and the 4 right there is a 10. You can do this, by the way, because of the commutative property. It doesn't matter what order we add in. So there's 10. That'll make 19. 19 and 2 is 21. 21 and 5 is 26. So we'll put down the 6, carry the 2, and it looks like we've got 3, 10 right here. There's 10 right there. 11 and 2 is 13. Put down the 3, carry the 1. 8 plus 1 is 10. 11, put down the 1, carry the 1. 3 plus 4 is 7. 1 more is 8. Let's put our comma in there for good measure to separate the groups of numbers, and hopefully that'll help you get off to a good running start with your addition. I'll see you next time.